This is an empath meditation. It is to help you clear energy that is not yours or energy that does not serve you well. So instead of sitting down this time, I want you to stand up, stand straight, stand with your feet hip distance apart. Have good posture like a ballet dancer. You've got your back straight, neck up, head up as if you had the proverbial books on top of your head. Tummy tucked in, shoulders down and relaxed. Let your arms hang loose at your sides. Shake them out if you need to in order to get more loose. And then take a deep breath in as you hunch your shoulders way up to your ears. Then let the breath out quickly with a whew as you drop your shoulders quickly. Do this 3 times. Hunch your shoulders up on the in-breath. Let it out as you drop your shoulders unceremoniously down. Just let them fall down. Do it again. In-breath up. Do it again. Shoulders up to the ears. In-breath up. And drop it. Already lost count. Let's do it once more. Shoulders up. And let it all out. Down to the very last ounce of breath. Okay, shake your hands. Shake your upper body. Now, shake all over. Yes, you're going to look like a fool. Yes, you're going to feel like a fool, but just shake your entire body all over like that. And if you could do that, like keep on doing it for 60 seconds rather, or even 3 minutes, that is an amazing thing for releasing tensions and toxins, and also for re-energizing you if you're feeling like lethargic. Okay, now stand straight again, fully relaxed. With your mind, scan your body from top down, ensuring that you're fully relaxed. Wiggle whatever needs more relaxation. Shake it out. Get comfortable. Now you get to sit down. Still relaxed. Feet apart on the floor. Hands in your lap. Forefinger and thumb should be touching each other. That enables you to breathe from your diaphragm as opposed to more shallowly. So breathe in and out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now imagine yourself encircled by various levels of consciousness. The outer ring looks like the purest, brightest golden white light you've ever seen. It is a vibrant, truly divine presence, and it moves in shafts of simmering golden rays, just like the rays of the sun shining through clouds. This divine presence is everywhere, blessing everything it touches with a deep sense of sublime love and safety, as if a nourishing mist were permeating and infusing every molecule in existence with unconditional love and protection. Those lilting rays penetrate downward into the denser energies that surround the earth and its inhabitants. We are reminded that in a pitch-black darkened room, the tiny flame of a single candle is all it takes to reveal what's inside. The gloom of the darkness lifts as the eyes adjust, and soon all is revealed. Fear dissipates into the certain knowledge that all is well, as the light prevails. But our divine flame is not tiny. It is as big as the sky and all the universes. It is shimmering, irradiating, clarifying, purifying, and above all, loving you. It makes you feel clean and secure. Like the piercing searchlight on a lighthouse, the Divine Presence shines its protective, illuminating beams on all dark fears and emotions, transmuting them into sparkles and then waves of loving light. It penetrates our mental and emotional bodies with minty freshness, clearing, cleansing, and preserving only that which serves our highest good, bringing clarity to our minds and health to our bodies. We choose the light. We choose to live in the light. We are transformed. All is well. Any energies that do not serve our highest good fall away from us and dissolve back into the nothingness from whence they came. The divine light is a reliable beacon, the point of light on which we can focus to navigate dark waters and unseen obstacles. It leads the way even as it infuses us with its own glory, so that we may lead the way for others. Take a moment. Bask in the warmth of the golden white healing energies. Let them infuse you with fearlessness and love. Breathe in the love. Breathe out the love. Only love comes to you. Only love comes from you. Staying attuned to the light will show you the way forward, strengthen you in times of challenge, and protect you from harm. So be it, and so it is. Amen, amen, amen.